Okay, so this is how we're going to create a full adder in a block form. Because if we are going to create a more complicated circuit, of course, we're not always going to design a full adder which is in logic gate form. So it is very practical if we are going to have a full adder in block form. Okay. So this is our full adder from our previous video about how to start out to simulate a full adder. Now in here, we already don't have the switches and then the LEDs. So what we're going to do now is to use a connector, an input connector for the inputs. So we're going to use 3 input connectors for A. So in here, may nakalagay na input I06, pero you can change that by simply right-clicking the, the name and then or double click the name and then change. Ayan. So, pwede nyo palitan siya ng A. Input A. And then another one, place another connector for B. And change the name to B. Tapos yung C ulit. This time, we're going to use C input. C in. Ayan. Okay. And then we go to the output. Itong output natin, we only have 2. And that is for sum and carry. So our output should be an output connector. Yeah. Sum. Then you can also change the name into S for sum. And then pwede nyo siyang i-connect na dito sa ating output sum. And then place again another output connector for the carry. Okay, ayan. So, ayan. Palitan natin siya into carry out. Tapos connect. Okay, yeah. So since we already have this, ito na, pwede na po natin siyang i-save. All circuits na ginawa natin dito sa ating multi-sim can be saved in a folder na i-assign mo para sa multi-sim circuits mo lang. So, pwede kayo mag-save sa D or saan man na pwede nyo i-save yung mga ginagawa ninyo. So, punta lang kayo dito sa my file and then save or save as. Ayan, so pwede po yan. Both. Save po. Or save as. Pag save as, you are going to assign a name for it. So, since in my multi-sim folder na nakalagay sa documents, meron na po akong ilang full adder. Kaya po pwede naman kayo mag-create ng sa inyo. You could say F underscore other. Pwede din yan. Okay. So, mas maigi kung alam nyo kung alin yung mga circuits. Dapat yung mga circuit na sinesave ninyo, may palatandaan sa inyong file name. Okay, so paano siya lalabas as a block? So, ito, makikita nyo, meron na siyang mga output names. So, sa block form niya, sa block diagram niya, makikita nyo na yung A, B, C, at saka yung S and then C out. So, what we're going to do is to go to File, and then mag-open kayo ng new circuit. Ayan, ito may lalabas na block. Mag-create kayo ng bago, blank siya. Ayan, okay. Now, kukunin natin ngayon yung sinave natin na full adder. Pero this time, it is already in a block form. Hindi na siya yung circuit na ginawa natin. So, saan tayo pupunta? Punta rin kayo sa place. And then, ayan. So, hierarchical block from file. Ito yung sinave natin kanina. I-click nyo yan. Magpuproceed kayo doon sa folder ninyo na kung saan kayo nag-save. And then, i-click nyo lang kung ano yung sinave natin kanina. So, ito yon. It is the F other. And then, open. Okay. So, in here, ito na po. Magiging black na po siya. So, kung napapansin niyo meron na rin naka-indicate dyan na A, B, C in. Ito yung mga inputs niya. And then, we also have the S and the C out. Okay. So, ito na po yung block form natin. Now, para makita natin if it is really functioning, we are going to use a switch. Okay? So, mapapatunayan lang natin na working po yung ating block natin kung gagamitan po natin siya ng output LEDs at saka switches. And of course, there's sources din. Maglalagay tayo ng VCC at saka ng ground. Okay. So, place basic po tayo. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin niyo pag naka-block na po yung ating circuit, mas maliit na po siyang tignan. So, hindi na siya masyadong scattered. Okay. So, we are going to use, anong ginamit natin? We have used the green for the sum and then red for the carry. Para ma-identify natin. Pwede nyo din namang, i-reverse ang ating component. Right-click nyo lang po. Click nyo yung component, tapos right-click. I-rotate nyo po siya. Para humarap siya doon sa pahiga. Pa-vertical po yung position ng ating component. Ayan. So, you could already identify which is which. So, kanina, nilagay natin yung green as a sum. Dito naman po tayo sa red sa ating Cout. And then, kailangan din natin po ng VCC. VCC. And then, ground. Okay? Tapos, isa-simulate natin siya para paanda rin natin siya para at least we could say that our circuit is working. Sorry, we have used many grounds. So, isa lang gamitin natin para sa ground. One ground is intended for one circuit. Pwede na rin naman. Pero kung medyo magkakalayo, then that's the time you can use few grounds para hindi siya Ayan. So, i-connect. Ito yung A natin. Ito yung A input natin. Siyempre, i-connect din natin siya dito para yung flow ng ating pagsiswitch, pag nakatingin kayo sa truth table, naka-flow din siya as ABC. Although po pwede namang ibalik ta rin yan. Depende sa inyo. Pero dapat alam nyo kung nasaan yung A ninyo, nasaan ang B at nasaan ang C. Wala naman pong kaso yan kung saan yung kusang ilagay. Anyway, you are the designer of your circuit. Okay. Medyo nag-short ang ating circuit. So, dapat ma-identify natin. Ang A natin dito. Ang B nasa gitna. And then yung C dito sa dulo. Okay. And then connect to VCC again. Okay. Kung napapansin niyo, yung source po natin is 5 volts. Kasi po yung IC natin, ang kailangan lang po niya na source is 5 volts and below. Okay. Higher than 5 volts, maaaring masisira na yung ating IC. Okay. So, let's start to simulate. Okay. Ayan. So, yung kanina, yung first video natin, when we simulated our circuit for the full adder, nung 0-0, walang umilaw, diba? Walang umilaw sa sum, walang umilaw sa carry. How about pag 1? Ayan. So, pag 1, sum ang mag-iilaw. Same as true with 2. So, it's better if you have your truth table with you so you can check. Sa 3, ayan. Pag 3, dahil dalawa na yung pinag-add mo, magkakaroon ka na ng carry. Kaya, umilaw na yung carry mo. 3, we have also the 4. Siyempre, sum lang yan. Pag 5, dahil dalawa na ang 1 mo, may ilaw na ang carry mo. 5, 6, ganun din po. And then lastly, 7. Yung 7, since we already have another 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. May carry ka na, kaya umilaw yung carry. And then 0 plus 1 is 1, kaya meron kang sum. So, that is how your full adder works. Pero this time, your full adder is in block form. Okay? So, thank you for listening.